In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project management system in Notion in just 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to your connected workspace on Notion. There's where you bring together all your wikis, docs, and projects, and it's the perfect starting point to set up an efficient project management system. Make sure you're already familiar with the basic layout and functionalities, as it will help you move through the setup process smoothly. Next, you'll want to log into your Notion account. Ensure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, take a moment to get comfortable with your homepage. This is the central hub where all your projects will blossom into productivity. Once you're on the Notion home, we're going to utilize the powerful search function to streamline your workflow. In the search bar, type Project Management. This will bring up various templates and resources related to managing projects efficiently. If you're new to Notion, exploring these templates can give you a great introduction to all the customizable possibilities at your fingertips. Now that you've searched for project management templates, you'll need to select one that best suits your style and project needs. Notion offers a variety of templates, each with unique features and layouts. Browse through them and choose one that catches your eye. Remember, the right template can be a game changer for your productivity levels, so take advantage of this selection. Once you've selected your preferred template, it's time to add it to your workspace. You'll find an Add button which seamlessly integrates the template into your projects. This step is crucial as it allows you to alter or update the template according to your specific project requirements. After adding the template, the next step is customizing it to better fit your needs. Think of this template as a blank canvas just waiting for your creative input. Change titles, modify fields, and adjust any components that are necessary to make the template work effectively for your team or project. Personalization is key here, so don't hesitate to spend a little time ensuring everything aligns with your vision. Finally, once you have edited the template to your liking, you're all set to start managing your project like a pro. With this system now part of your Notion workspace, you can easily track progress, assign tasks, and collaborate with other team members, all in one place. And there you have it. You've just built a project management system in Notion in under 5 minutes. By following these steps, you can leverage Notion's powerful tools to organize and manage any project efficiently. Happy organizing, and may all your projects be successful.